I believe it begins first with having a certain amount of awareness and acknowledgement around the issue of race. That race is a very important element in our world today. Then, secondly, I think is really being able to provide safe places to have very difficult conversations. So, having an opportunity to come together and to have very candid conversations, and again, a place that does not seek to bring judgment on views and opinions, but really is an effort to gain better understanding and perspective by hearing and learning from one another. And then that really leads to engaging in a civil and healthy dialogue that allows us to unpack and to understand where we are today as people of faith and in our congregations in terms of living in a very multicultural world. And so it provides just a very rich opportunity for congregations to be a part of not only the discussion, but also feeling empowered to be able to seek justice along racial lines, really moving us towards action, engagement, and to hopefully a place that we have better race relations that even begin in our congregations.